Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change password on Outlook mobile. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. After opening the browser, you can just simply search outlook.live.com. I can perform the steps on Outlook application. You can just perform the same steps in Outlook web browser, and after login you can just simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can just simply scroll down, tap on accounts, and here you can see the one more option, that is privacy and security in your web browser. After this you can just simply click on the web browser, and after this you can see the option password. You can just simply tap on password, and it is a way you can change password on Outlook mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.